Hey guys, so we're in Walmart and we're gonna go bowling today, which is gonna be super fun with me, Jesse, Levi, and my mom. So yeah, can't wait. Let's go. Yeah. Yes! Woo! Ooh, so close. Ooh, pretty good. Ooh. So close. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nice. No. Like the first. So yeah, we're bowling. You can tell. There's Jesse. And so yeah. Oh, close. You got this, Levi. Yes! Yay! Doing pretty good.
When you fly, you get more momentum, and you can hit it harder.
Ooh! Whoa!
Is that a strike?
Right!
No, it's a stare because it's my second.
Oh, right. Still. Ooh! Nice! Nice! Oh!
spare, but still.
Oh, right, spare. Okay, guys, so we ended the game. Jesse won. Yeah, we're playing a new game, but I won't record it. Okay, bye. I'm only gonna record part of the second round. I should show you the end of this game because I don't want this to be too long. But yeah, we're on the last round, and I think Mom's winning. Come on, strike! Oh, dude, you could get a spare. This is the last round, guys. Oh. Oh, so close. I don't know. Hey guys, so now we're at Costco. We got ice cream
Hey guys.
and some soda, and we're gonna get pizza.
How do you
Like
know they're not
this.
girls?
Jesse, I mean guys as in like people, not guys as in boys.
They're saying.
Most people on YouTube say it, or they have.
Actually, everyone on YouTube's wrong, Callie.
Not everyone, but most people.
You're following the crowd.
So either they say guys, or like they have their own special intro,
Hey, Jake Ballers.
like that. But it's good ice cream. Anyways.
We have apples.
Hey guys, so we just got back home, and so we went shopping for a little. I got this shirt. I'm trying it on now. It says happy. It's really cute. Anyways, yeah, that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Peace out, homies.